If you're thinking about switching MSPs, something is already hurting your business. Slow support, recurring outages, security gaps that never get fixed. The good news: switching providers doesn't have to be risky or disruptive. In this video, I'll walk you through a safe, structured way to migrate to a new MSP in Houston without breaking your business. Most companies don't switch IT providers on a whim. They switch because the cost of staying has become too high. We hear the same issues again and again. Long response times, problems that keep coming back with no clear root cause, poor communication, and security risks that never seem to get addressed. The real danger isn't just daily frustration, it's accumulated risk. Outdated systems, weak patching, poor documentation. These issues quietly increase the chance of major downtime or a security incident. A strong MSP should act like a business partner, not a reactive help desk. If your current provider can't support your growth or protect the business, it may be time to move on. A smooth migration starts with preparation. First, define your objectives. Be clear about what isn't working today. Response times, security, communication, planning. Then define what success looks like after the move. Faster support, stronger security, better visibility, more predictable IT. Next, gather documentation. This includes network diagrams, admin credentials, asset lists, licenses, and vendor information. If documentation is missing, note the gaps. A good MSP can rebuild it, but knowing what's missing saves time. Then identify your critical systems: ERP, phones, CRM, shared data. Anything that cannot go down needs to be clearly identified up front. Finally, prepare for common risks: missing passwords, old hardware, unknown devices, weak backups. Surprises derail migrations. Preparation prevents them. Here's the real-world process we use. Step 1. Choose your new MSP with intention. Don't rush this. Look for proven processes, strong security standards, and experience supporting Houston businesses. Step 2. Conduct a technical assessment. Your new MSP should fully document the environment: networks, devices, security tools, backups, cloud services. Step 3. Map the migration plan. This includes timeline, responsibilities, communication, and fallback options. Clear ownership keeps things on track. Step 4. Execute the transition. Credentials are secured. Monitoring tools are deployed. Security baselines are applied. Documentation is centralized. Step 5. Verify and evaluate. Access controls, multi-factor authentication, backups, patching. Any issues found are fixed immediately. Step 6. Train users. Your team needs to know how to get support, use security tools, and avoid common threats. Training reduces friction and improves adoption. Step 7. Monitor the first 90 days. This is where trust is built. You should see regular check-ins, proactive recommendations, and clear communication. A high-quality MSP leads the process. They handle documentation cleanup, security hardening, vendor coordination, monitoring, and onboarding. You should never feel like you're managing the migration yourself. The right provider brings structure and accountability. They remove friction. They don't add to it. Houston businesses face unique challenges: regulated industries, mixed infrastructure, weather-related risks. Local experience matters. On-site support, vendor relationships, emergency response. Geography still matters when physical systems are involved. Switching MSPs doesn't have to be painful. With the right strategy and the right partner, it can be controlled, secure, and surprisingly smooth. If you're considering a move and want a clear, low-risk path forward, start with a structured evaluation. Speak to our team at Upright for a free assessment. Thank you.